Hi everybody, welcome to Lucas World. And these days we're reading books. I know everyone likes to read books. Okay, I know. Okay, first, if you want to take notes, grab a few materials, papers, notebooks, or anything else that you can write in. And you must get your pencils or pen, but pencils are much better, so they can, if you write a word, you can erase it. Okay, so today we're going to talk about dinosaurs. So let's see. This is the most famous dinosaur, T-Rex. Okay. Oh, this is Owen. You can say it's Master of the Dinosaurs. Let's keep going. That's right, Spinosaurus. They live in Africa. If you have, don't ask me questions now. If you have questions, I would like to answer you, but you should put your questions in the comment below. Okay, this is Brachiosaurus. Okay, why the legs are longer than back legs? Okay, this is Brachiosaurus sign. Okay. Oh, like this is 2 cm, but in real life it's so long we can't measure it. And this is 50 because now we see it is about like that size. Okay, so this is longer than this, and this is longer than this. Okay, well, let's take a look. Their nostrils on top of head. Nostrils on top of head. Okay. And this is T-Rex with a big mouth. Okay, coming up, up to the top. Okay, bye-bye. So I'll write it. Big mouth. Okay, so if you like to take notes, I'll give you, maybe that's too long. Give you a minute. Give you a minute. Write down T-Rex, has big mouth. Owen, master of dinosaurs. Spinosaurus, live in Africa. Brachiosaurus, front legs are longer than back legs. Nostrils top of head. Or what you see, write it down in your notebook or papers. So, because of time, I'll pause this timer and I'll not use them. You can pause this video and let's keep going. Oh, sorry, forgot to tell you. These are dinosaurs. Let's keep going. Let's take a look. Roaring. Oh, you can see the floor is a bit different. It is. There are multi-floor and the different sky. Let's see. Roaring again. Oh, look. T-Rex is eating. Grass floor. Made of grass floor. Okay. Big mouth. Roaring. It's roaring also. There are dinosaur roars. Okay. Let's just hear some dinosaur roars. Okay, maybe you can't hear. Let you hear again. Or maybe you cannot hear. Oops. Automatically, let you hear again. Yep, maybe you can hear it now. Okay, so pause the video to write your notes. Okay, let's keep going. This is Ankylosaurus. Have armor on back, spikes on tail, and cube on the end of the tail. Okay, that's big armor. Triceratops. Here it wrote for you. 3 horns face and they can fight T-Rex. Okay, the they is them. Okay, they're planning dinosaurs, so I just show you. Okay. Need time to write your notes? Pause. I don't know what's this dinosaur. I just pick one. Okay, pick one photo. Okay, this is also, oh, yuck, eating. This is Allosaurus. Okay, they are meat-eating dinosaur. Need notes? Pause. Okay, dinosaur eating. T-Rex eating. Okay, this is Jurassic dinosaur. Because Jurassic dinosaur eats like this. Brachiosaurus again. Hi. Different tree from now to dinosaur world. Eating again. Notes later. Let you hear it. Oh. Let you hear something. And now I'm chewing. Yeah, can hear. Maybe Suyaki. Yeah. Oh, this is Pteranodon. Okay. No teeth. They have no teeth. And stubby tail. Look at this tail. Looks stubby. Okay. This is Quetzalcoatlus. With huge wings. Okay, huge wings. Notes? Of course, pause this video. These are flying dinosaurs. Notes? I'm not gonna give you time later. Or pause this video 100 times. Okay, flying dinosaur eat small animals. Okay, look, they're eating small animals. Why do they eat fish? They eat fish also. Hi, Pteranodon. Back. Flying dinosaur eating. Okay. Dinosaur eating. Don't pause this video. Okay. Let's keep going. Oh, what's this? This is yeah, Jurassic toy, Jurassic Park dinosaur toy. I don't know what's this actually. Oh, this is Ophthalmosaurus. Sorry. Ophthalmosaurus. They are big guys. They are Elasmosaurus. They have long neck with a small head. Flippers. See dinosaur. Okay, let's keep looking. Okay, dinosaur eating again. Allosaurus eating again. And Ophthalmosaurus back eating again. Oh, this dinosaur's eating a shark. I see dinosaur eating. Okay. Eating. So let's review what we see. This is T-Rex. This is Spinosaurus. Ankylosaurus. Triassic dinosaur. Triceratops. And Brachiosaurus. So, what you should remember At first, we're going to read books after a lesson, a class. Okay, so remember, we will read Magic Tree House. Tree House. One dinosaurs before dark. Next time. Okay, so if you like this video, I want you to like this video and don't remember to subscribe. So when I put more videos on the YouTube, you'll have this information. Okay, and that's all. Thanks for watching.